Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my corpus. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my temperature.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to access the toy browser even if the toy browser package isn't available for your distribution. Some operating systems like FreeBSD and older 32-bit Linux have the Tor package in their repositories, but they don't have the Tor browser package. So let's install Tor and Torstocks. Proxy, enter. In this way, the Tor package is installed together with a proxy that we will use to make Firefox connects to the Tor network. Now, systemctl enable Tor, systemctl start Tor, and restart Tor to make it work better. Here I will show you a website that checks if Firefox is connected to the Tor network. https://check.torproject.org. Enter. Sorry, you are not using Tor. It is because we need to configure Firefox. Go into Settings, General, scroll down, Network Settings, Manual Proxy Configuration, SOCKS host, use SOCKS 5, address 127.0.0.1. It is the localhost address, port 9050, because it is the default port that the Tor package will use, while the Tor browser bundle will use port 9051. Click OK and reload the page. Here, congratulations, your browser works with the Tor network. Now let's check again with an application that will tell you your IP address. What is my IP address? It is taking longer because the connection works through the 3 relays of the Tor network. Now that Firefox has the Tor service enabled, we can go to Onion addresses, for example this one, the Onion version of the DuckDuckGo search engine, and by looking at our IP address, it tells us that we are from another nation. For example this one and this one say that we are in Kansas, but I am sure that currently I am not in Kansas. Here, now you know how to use the Tor network even if your operating system doesn't support the Tor browser application by just using the Tor package with a special Firefox configuration. See you later, guys.